Yeah, I'm decluttering Mel's wardrobe. This is the part one because I'm gonna have to go back when summer's over and declutter the rest of her stuff from summer. I got some shoes, some a stroller, a little. Hold on, Melly. Hold on, baby. New clean sheets, clean changing cover. She's good. I'm about to just fold these clothes right there, and then I'm done. I'm done. All the way down. Everything clean. This is her little outfit for tomorrow. Put all her shoes and stuff away here. All her clothes. Everything is done. Alright, y'all, so this is Mel's last addition to her room. She has a M and she has a J that she got from Onyx's grandma, which is Mel's great grandma. And we're gonna paint them pink. Yeah, we're gonna paint them pink. So Mel's here with me and we're gonna paint these letters real quick. And then we're gonna let them dry. And then I think we're gonna put some glitter on them and then we're gonna bedazzle them a little bit. I think that'll be fun for her and I think she'll like it. But that's going to be her last little addition to her room for now. And then we out. At least say cheese. Y'all, Mel always gotta fight me because she wanna do stuff her way and herself. Look at all that daggone paint on that thing. Look at all that paint. Melly. Oh, Lord have mercy. Alright, y'all, round two. Second coat. Hey, Melly, no! Don't you touch it. Yeah, so this is what they look like. They actually look really good. They look really good, y'all. We better go get the mail. Yeah, Mel, she's so grown. I said, Mel, go get your Crocs. Go get your white shoes out your closet. She went back and got them Johns. Then I said, go get your baby in her stroller. That's a shopping cart, but it's her stroller. And then go get the mail? Yes. Okay, come on. So, y'all, we got some glitter spray paint that we're going to use for her little lettuce. Okay, all right, there we go. All right, come on, Mama. I don't even know if y'all can see it, but y'all, this is it. It's a little messed up right there, but it's all good. And right there. But we still gonna cover it with some rhinestones. I'm gonna let Mel take a nap, and then we're gonna come back and do this later. So we went outside and got her little things. Y'all can see some little imperfections like right there, but it's all good right there. But she did it, so I'm happy about that, and that's all that matters because she loves it. Oh my God. So I got a bunch of stuff. Right here. When I used to make masks for COVID, I had got all these rhinestones and stuff, and I never really used it, to be honest with you. So we're going to use them today. Mel wants to use the pearls, so we're going to use the pearls. Ah! Melly, what are you doing? You can go put your card away? Oh, you put your baby back here? Okay, that's fine. So we about to use these, because that's what she wants to use. Whatever she wants, then that's fine with me. I just hope it's enough. I think it's enough, but I hope so. So we gotta get started with this. Melly, where you going? Come on, we gotta put the rhinestones on. Okay. All right. You like them? You like it? It's pretty? Yes. Alright, y'all. There they go. I was not doing the whole thing. It would have took forever. But I think it came out really, really cute. And Mel likes it, so that's what matters. Alright, y'all. That's the end of this vlog. We will see y'all in the next vlog. Say bye. Bye. Bye, y'all.